I'm back with another one. It's early. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. Well, almost 7, but it's still early. I only slept for like 4 hours last night. I'm tired, boss. But anyways, got a special video today. Well, got a connection of probably about 2 videos I'm gonna be posting. We're driving out to Killeen, the car club, for a car show and bass competition. Got a lot of driving to do right now, but hey, I'm on my way to pick up Sliz right now, so if you want to know why, you gotta make sure you go over to his channel, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, that way you are informed when he posts his video. But we had to drop his car off last night. He's getting something done. Something done. But yeah, man, y'all go over there and check him out. Life of Sliz, SLIZZ, and I'll put it in the description as well, and make it pop up on the screen, you know. But yeah, right now, damn, way too fast. All right, but there's a lot of driving. I'm on my way right now to Grand Prairie, pick him up, come back to Mesquite, then we gotta go meet the car club and drive out to Killeen. So definitely need some energy, man. But hey, I gotta say, I'm tired. Yeah, I've been working a lot, but I've been around a lot of good vibes and positive people. Got a lot of positivity in my life right now. That makes a big change for just your energy and your all around aura, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just feel good, you know, like, even with everything going on right now, it's crazy right now. So I mean, I gotta say, you know, I'm pretty blessed. We all just gotta keep fighting, keep moving, keep pushing, keep our heads up, give glory to God, you know what I mean, and just keep eating, keep grinding. I stay in my own lane. And I'm not talking about driving. I stay in my own lane too. But yeah, y'all feel me. Y'all feel me. But yeah, man, I'm going to get a recording of Sliz's vehicle, but you will see it on his channel first. I'm gonna let him post it first, and I'll post it probably a day or two after. So if y'all in a rush to see it, check him out on his channel. If not, you know what I'm saying? Hey, appreciate everybody who's been hitting that subscribe button. No lie, I appreciate all the support. Trying to turn this into something. Trying to bring out dope content. And if you're new to the channel, like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, post notification bell, that way you informed every time I drop a video. I haven't been dropping videos as frequent right now, but I'm doing what I can. There will be more videos coming. So stay tuned. And in order to stay tuned, you gotta hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? And make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Drop down in the comments, drop a comment, just anything. Just speak your mind, say something you like that you've seen in the video, or you know, something you would rather see more of in the video, you know, whatever. Just drop down in that comment section. But yeah, we on the road. Yeah, once we get to what we're going on, really like recording while I'm driving, but you know, I had to go ahead and get my intro out the way. Ooh, and I gotta My new intro might be before this video. You might see my new intro before you even watch this video. Let's go. I'm gonna pick the camera back up when we get to where we're going. Y'all be safe out there, man. Stay positive, stay motivated, stay dedicated to whatever goals you have set. Reach them goals and stack more goals. You know what I'm saying? Just keep grinding. I'll be right back. So we on the road now. Well, kind of, sort of. I think we stopped to get some food or something. I don't know. Let's see. But we rolling deep. Little line up right here. Got a Richie shit right there. That's so clean, bro. We riding out here to Killeen real quick. Got a Richie right here. Yup. Yup. Got that RT Challenger right here. Up. Got Hemi Light 44 right here. Scat Pack Black. Living with Mozzie, new Hellcat. Okay, got the new lights on that thing. Yep. Hats. You know what I'm saying? Safe for lines though. Don't forget the S float. Poppy Slizzo. This guy right here. Yes, indeed. They got the IG right there. They got that thing right there. I hear you, okay. I hear you, Mozzie. Got that RT thing, Scat Pack thing. You know what I'm saying? Rolling deep, uh-oh. Waxahachie puppies. Driving footage on the way out to Killeen. It's gonna be a long drive. It's gonna be a long drive. I think it's like 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So we got a late start, so it's like 10:30. But that thing's so loud. Shit, nice.
certain food so aka the Blood Cruise Battle. I am him, he is I, we're one, you damn well bet your ass and believe what it's saying. Subscribe to the whole crew, baby. We're going all the way up to the tip top. Yeah, man.
No, I had to sneak that in there real quick. On him, he was distracted by this hot ass heat. We out here tired. It's hot. We done stopped like 8 times already. But we gonna make it. We gonna make it. You know what I'm saying? We had to come over here real quick. We got a nail and tire. Came to the tire shop. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Hey, Jeff, where you at? Got the Elko. Oh yeah.
What's up, brother?
Shout it out.
Hey, man. Hash TV. Every time y'all see me, I say the same thing. Go subscribe to the channel. What you waiting on, man?
Yeah.
Y'all see the car on the shirt, brother.
Okay.
Merch coming soon, you feel me?
Okay.
Yeah, man. Y'all gonna do that.
Yeah, we out here. Finally made it.
Oh my God.
Walking in this grass. I seen my homeboy too.
You already recorded?
Yep. Finally made it. Where they got that Ermac. Got a couple of the car club members entered the show. You know what I'm saying?
I thought that was you, man. I said, where you come from, man?
That's nice.
I didn't know you was showing that like that.
Going crazy. Y'all seen Scapehead Blacks. I'm finna get mine done too. Coming soon. You gotta hit that subscribe button. Mo Power out here showing out. Eight of them.
Yes, sir.
That interior is fire, bro.
Original.
That's fire.
This is crazy. My phone ain't never did nothing like that. I don't
Need-
say it every night.
Need a better case. More than likely. fire interior. Look at that paint. Wet.
Let's go green. Yeah, you are about to say.
See you doing a little something?
Check me out, baby.
Man, they done now, they judge. I would have to pick from the categories, I just wasn't.
All right.
So.
It's what? Yeah, it's manual. Hey, fuck my shit up, I gotta take them cars. Yeah.
Motherfucker spit.
Not car, not cars.
Motherfucker spit.
Talk about living life on the edge. You see my gas? I don't even know how much I got, but we made it. I made it. Barely. Well, I made it. Got a full tank now. Oh yeah. About to go to a graduation parade, so I had to come do a car wash real quick. Did the what do they call it? Touchless car wash. Touchless car wash. Just a quick wash. See if it was any good. I know I'm gonna have to wipe my own shit down. Back over real quick. Man, it's been a long day. Long day, lots of driving. Made it. Alright, let's see. Probably. Ain't bad. I'm gonna wipe it down real quick a little bit. What can you expect with a touchless car wash? Look better than it did. I had bug juice everywhere. Everywhere. That look better. I'm gonna wipe it down real quick. And then go meet the rest of the car club. Like, make sure if y'all haven't followed me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Rev that Hellcat thing up. Huh? Down the alley?
Yeah, just hit that way right there.
Alright.
See if I can get one of y'all smoking shit out. So, you ready? No?
Here.
Huh?
Here.
You feel like burning some rubber?
I
got you.
For sure. Hey, come right here. Come right here. Hey, did you talk to Neighborhood Watch? No? Oh, we good? Go ahead. Little song.
That cat is a mess.
Successful day. I am big tired. So basically that's gonna end this video. I had a lot of fun. I've been up since 6 o'clock in the morning. And it's already like 9 o'clock. I'm about to eat. I still gotta do laundry, take a shower, and I'm going to sleep. Cause I'm right back to working double. See, I probably won't get no content during the week because I do 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. at work. So till next weekend, y'all stay tuned, man. Hey, give y'all a quick view of the car real quick before I officially sign out for the night. Yep, that's the end of this video. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, post notification bell, leave a comment, and hit that thumbs up for your boy. One time for the one time. Y'all stay blessed.